Nice. I'm gonna go watch it from over here. It's less than a minute! It's less than a minute till it starts! Nice, guys. Oh, this is a good view. Yeah, everyone stay there. That's perfect, because I can see all you guys. Oh, that's so cool. Actually, I'm gonna stay over here. Yeah. That's a good one. Alright. Okay, nice. Bang the sun, though. Wait, what if we fall down? What if the builds break? No, get away from me. Get away from me. Okay. Oh my god, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening. Why are we so high up? I'm scared. Okay, don't move. Don't move. Everyone stay still. Don't move. Stay still. Stay still. Nice. Good job, guys. Good job. Ah! Wait, the earthquake is happening! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! Wait, what? Wait, I thought it was happening! Guys, what is happening? Dude, you guys did great though. Thank you for building that. Oh no! Oh no! Free for all! Hypex, we trusted you, bro. We trusted you. Good job, guys. Okay, we gotta check Twitter. In Hypex, we trusted, and we were let down. We were lied to. I'm gonna see, did he tweet anything? What if Epic's just doing that despite all the leakers?